How to sign up for NaturalReader. So go to Google and search for the website. Just write NaturalReader. It's gonna give you the website. Click on that. Then over here at the right side, click on Get Started. Then go click on Personal. If you're doing commercial, click Commercial. I'm going with Personal. Over here at the bottom left side, you'll see Sign Up or Logged In. Click on that. Now, if you already have an account, just log in. But if not, click here, Sign Up. It says don't have an account yet. Sign up. Just click on that. And then you need to create your account. You can create with Google, Apple, or just sign up using email. Put your email over here, then create a password, then confirm the password over here, and then click next. I'm gonna sign up with email. I'm gonna just select a password. It says we need a lowercase, one number, and special character. So I'm gonna put a special character at the last letter. Over here the same. Next. Email sent, we need to verify it, so we are going to our email. Click verify, click on that, and then it's gonna say your registration has been confirmed. Let's go back, click next. Let's log in, next. Let's put the password that we created. Click next and wait. And that's it, we sign up for NaturalReader. So if you want to check your email, just click on account, and your email will be here and all the settings. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, and thank you for watching.